Shubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Hadian Chisngi Bami Nonghikai ban Dawa ban Weng ya ka principal Jingkyrshan Mount School kakong ayam ksiar dingdo. Hene ka step ka hinyau tereng unai luar hajar apawar sa Kmie pa Jingkyrshan kilami ban Dawa penba ya ki kamera kelas ki jaka letbar bat ki wei ki jingdon kam Jingkyrshan school. Nagalyang Kmie pa Jingkyrshan ki lapan long ru daka jia soi kerteng ne ka signature campaign ban ai Jingkyrshan ya ki Nonghikai. Habekren badi wei na Kmie Jingkyrshan school ilaya thu bakala pha yaki khon jongka hakane ka school mentala khat weisnem ki jinge ki baki khana ki yakendo kadai ki kamera class namar haka porslam ka ka rong hapo kamera class kani ka bo jinge shibo ni ki khana banchong class kalaya thu ru bakilaya kren bat ki Nonghikai halor kani kilaya thu ru baki kamera class kim don light khamtam haki kamera Jingkyrshan class 11 bat class 12 Kaba kham don kam tam kadai ka khut ka suba bat ka jing bom biang ki jaka let chabar kani ka bo jing ma ya ka kot ka khia Jingkyrshan puli Nagalyang ki Kmie pa Jingkyrshan ki ai ka Jingkyrshan ba purai ya ka jing Dawa hiar shuki Jingkyrshan Nonghikai ya ka principal Nagalyang ki Kmie pa Jingkyrshan kilakantu ya ka sarkar ba kan lei e halor kani
I'm here right for 11 years. Means my eldest daughter was here, she passed out. Then now my other daughter's here, she's in class 11. The major problem we face is the bathroom, right from when she was small up till now. But this year itself, when she's in class 11, the problem which I face is that when there's rain, the water enters the classroom from the RAM itself from 11-12. And they could not take classes when the water enters the classroom. So that's a problem. We already talked with the teachers. They said that we have to talk with the principal about it. But up till now, no initiative is taking place. And plus my daughter said also that there's no electricity in the classroom of 11-12. That's the main problem also. When there's raining, it's dark, they have to go without electricity in the classroom. That's the main problem for 11-12. And even for the smaller classes is the bathroom problem and the cleanliness of the school. I'm being a Paimon girl. It was so clean during our times. Even my elder daughter was here, it was clean. But now, the condition, you have seen yourself how the condition is not clean. Then the classroom was so dusty. I don't think so the sweepers sweep every day. The children, in the morning when they come, they have to dust their own places. Before they sit down, they have the dusting cloth, and before they sit, they have. And it's also the classroom is congested. Before, the classroom is meant only for 35, 40 students, but now around 50 plus are sitting in one classroom. It's congested. And we have talked with the principal so many times also, but up to now no initiative has been taken place. So that's why we saw the teachers protesting yesterday. So today we as parents also, we have our grievances. We supported them because it's the same issue what the teachers are facing. Even we parents are facing the same problem. When we want to meet the principal also, it's very hard for us to meet her. From our side is that we want to see the condition of the classroom to be maintained, means there's so many leakage, to see for the leakage, electricity, and even the computer room.
Do you support the demand of?
Yes. Support that. Yes, it's 2,400. You have to pay for the development fees. Then the computer fees 600. It's separate. We have to pay for that. But we don't know what is used with the computer fees, because if you see the computer, regarding computer classroom, you should go and visit inside and see it. You see the condition of the computer.
The number one, and the teachers they have genuine cases of their own, and we as parents we don't want to interfere in anything, but what is we are concerned here is the betterment of the student and our children as a whole. So stepping the principal, that is another issue, but what we are concerned here is anyone who is ready to be responsible. That is what is we are really wish for. It's like anyone who come also, if the new one will come, if there is no assurance to improve the situation, there is no point. But we here demand for a better leader. That's what I have to say, because we really need a change. We really need a good leader. Yes. So as parents, I request the government to kindly look into this matter. We really need to bring a changes, because small children are there, and then the issue of toilet is really the main cause here, because many of the children, they are facing so many problems. Personally, as a person, she is a good person. But then, as in general, as parents, we need to discuss many issues. But that is, as personally, myself, I don't have any issues. But then, regarding the betterment of the students, it need to have a seriousness that we need to discuss how to bring up some changes, how to improve the all-round development of the student.
Porque isu tu kami nungkong ya kari kata ni, lupa pun ni best, nanti nungkong ni lagi ni principal. Maka pasang employ bagi siap bagi tempat ini banyak dan hadiah untuk negara ini ni import itu benar. Sudah kami pakai ini antara ini training opportunity, ini training ni paru buat ni apa kalau apa, mesti nak kalau kamu yang di penon kamu ni kan. Dengan saya hang ni kita ni pakai ban kubur dia taruh. Halor ka managing committee nak kalian juga ngala pengalong presiden juga PTA Fishport ngalalong member juga managing committee bah agak jadi ni kena managing committee nak kalian juga ngala persang ban pensusu i hanur pam managing di pandai begitu sih committee di pandan berkom pada kingdom kam apa school pada banwala akhwat managing committee bah abdu managing committee nak tak lagi saya cepat nilai khususi kalau bah hadir katu kamu ingin tinggi di isu pada guna ketika managing committee buat isu sah ko umdo kalau apa itu kami ke buat berapa kalian juga Nonghikai berapa ki dan kita ngasai ingin tip kita ki internal issues ki belum penuh pada kalian juga Nonghikai dari negara apa berapa ko Nonghikai berapa berat dalam mayong berapa keberat jing susi hal pun ki kini apa ki keli ni kejitih boleh jauh tak school ya hari ini ni socho pada penanggalan di Nonghikai itu kila kata soal sorkat agak kila kedausyai ki semua juga halor kajing bom hunsu bagi ni principal indan bagi niat yang ni school buat ni semua bakal kelong genuine kadai kan nomor ba kamdan kata general body meeting begila kerpat abon sen kamdan kata kajing ya kendua iki Nonghikai bagi la bani kendua principal ban keren nampak kajing mahajing dia tempat school kena school ru dan gibal bakwa bani kendua principal ru Kmie alat banyak juga ia principal nak saya dan ini buat bikin principal bilang kawan rakyat ke jingnya fair apa yang principal kami nak punya ia school Nonghikai pada nomor bakam dan pada kata ke jingnya tujuh jimut principal nak saya kata pada kena school ni dengan apa ni Kmie baik bani kedua orang tujuh nomor Mata ngai bagi bon kikon ki jungi jinawan wan siyeng bani kren chang ka school ki sungya amnan kata ka slot ki bon sin pe ngi poi mai ki pre bali bakin pendap ki homework pendap je ade ning lai so pre komrong ka school hangni pre tam ni susi susnei klai chon jong ka bahang ni ki wan andriu kanta ki pen lot hangni po school andrei basic facilities basic amenities kim don ki jinawan pre hangni pre samai sing mi pa mata ka pelong ikna pre bakin jingai ni mi pa nomor bag ngin susu i gejin kam ki de nga kerpat na kalian na punya juga sorkat sobhab din simkia halor kani nomor ba kamdei tang sipang ni mi pa ni kwa tan ta jing haj school ri perkhat kalawi ding ba azar na apa ningi semua ba ningi ju om barobar ki na samla jadi kalawi juga jadi jadi dari ini pihak pesan kita kum akan ni kerkom kalau we kalau ya ini halor kan ngrim ni yo punya keren Nonghikai kan ngrim bagi la kedau kata bila penting saya sorkar tinggi semudai ba nomor ba na kalian jungi kami paru hadin bal aja kum niru na kalian principal indum don kata kajing sngau hai binong tang ini kon ai kami pa nya penbet ya nur kom nomor kata to ha kajing ya penya kajing ju la kajing long di beri kan rein na kala don pe kajing fair nu bre kum beri belum responsible untuk school la adon khat ka meeting buat in stunat inu ni hapeng kami pa khat kita stunat ni dia juga sai kajing di sai kata kaba dei kaba lagi kata school tapi mentah bre kaba biar bunyi kendu kami pa biar bunyi kendu di Nonghikai ta kemot ka bisa ba amdan su kata kajing ya senya penting itu penuh ka na di pakla
kami dalam concern dan kata nama tapi saya ini perlu mengulang ini sudah belakang nanti selesai memayung akan ini kemudian kita ini kita ada saya ini media salah tak nomor itu yang boleh kasih di rata kemudian mata ini jangan nah itu kata dia kalau kemana kemudian baru bersyukur bersyukur mulai tak ya kita kena ada di sekolah nomor semua julang minta berapa sekolah pada kami ini sebenarnya dengan mampu baru ini nomor mesin dengan sebelas tiga sekolah kalau punya nomor aku dilarang itu di mana bak ulang itu namanya jadi ini kondisi berapa tapi sih nggak mau sekarang mau kan ketika depan tuh punya cara punya sekarang Nonghikai apa kan apa jadi student tak kalau itu di pun sebelum itu pak meja masih mencari ini cepat dan semua tentang ini itu punya Nonghikai ya sampai itu dia berarti kalau jenuh menilai saya mau berbicara itu ya kalau nak yang sekarang dong berbicara ya Arab coba yang sekolah kecil sim inisiatif itu ini juga sih kalau masuk ke bola kalau sport boleh apa yang nonton lah ini not only studying kita tidak kami orang development kemudian kita usaha kan dalam sport kan konser dalam sport kemudian kalau sebelum kita sudah luar biasa jadi kita pernah kan rencana mereka pengen kenapa kalau ini dengan ada passion yang harus support di kena kan mereka pun ini kita hendak this is the second home ini kita malu kami ini yang kalau hanya hashtag hadu hashtag kan kita ini army Nonghikai kita second parents sudah kenal kita kalau kita school yang ada Nonghikai yang ada kenal kita school yang school Kmie atau kita terakhir dengan school yang perlu kita binami kemudian bisa mungkin kalau kita semua bisa wilayah kita perlu kasih campaign ini bangun balik kemudian kita ada sekolah ada support